Sometime I would like to visit India, but I think it will be some time before I can go. These days, sometimes I eat lunch at an Indian restaurant. Check out this lesson to learn the difference between sometime, 2 words, and sometimes. Hi guys, this video was suggested by one of my viewers, Sayani. I want to thank her for suggesting this video. I appreciate all of your comments and your suggestions, so please keep them coming. And also, please watch this video until the end. I want to make sure you understand how to use these 3 words and expressions. First, let's look at the word sometime. As an adverb, sometime means an unspecified point in time. You may hear someone use this expression: we should meet again sometime. We should get together again sometime. In this case, the sometime is unspecified. It's sometime in the future, but the speaker has not decided on a specific time. It's unspecified. Let's meet sometime. Here is another example. My brother will return home sometime tonight. Again, the sometime is unspecified. The speaker is saying, I'm not sure when my brother will return home. My brother will return home sometime tonight. He will return home sometime this evening. And remember, in this situation, sometime is 1 word. Okay? All right, let's look at the next one, which is sometime. 2 words. This is actually a phrase or expression that means that it's been a long while. A long period of time, some time. When we use some time, some is the adjective and time is the noun. So some is describing the time. Here is an example. I think it will be some time before I can visit that country. And here, some time would be a long period of time. You might also hear people say, it will be quite a while before I can visit that country. So the same meaning, quite a while, some time. Okay, here's another sentence. I think it will be some time before I go back to that restaurant. So in this case, I think it will be some time before I go back. It will be a long period of time. And maybe in that situation, I didn't enjoy the restaurant the first time I went. So the next time I go back, it will be a long time from now. It will be sometime. So notice in that situation, sometime, it has a negative feeling to it. Okay? It will be some time before I go back to that restaurant. It will be some time before I speak to that person again. Maybe you're angry or you had some type of argument. Okay, guys, we're on to our last word. And this word is sometimes. And sometimes is an adverb of frequency, how often we do something. If you want to learn more about adverbs of frequency, you can check out this video here. Here is an example. Sometimes I play the harmonica in the morning. I really need to practice more. With the adverb sometimes, you can change the position of the adverb. And this can be a little confusing. So let me just give you a couple more examples. So in the first one, I said, sometimes I practice the harmonica in the morning. You could also use sometimes at the end of the sentence. You could say, I practice the harmonica in the morning sometimes. And you also can hear people say, I sometimes practice the harmonica in the morning. And I usually suggest to my students that you should probably just try to use sometimes, since it's one of these adverbs that can move around, at the beginning of the sentence, all right? Sometimes I, or at the end of the sentence. I think if you choose those two, it's easier to remember, all right? So sometimes I watch YouTube when I wake up. I watch YouTube in the morning sometimes, and I use it at the beginning and at the end. If you enjoyed this video, click the like button. And remember to subscribe. Just hit the bell button below. I really appreciate you watching. Thanks so much, and see you next time.